Hello students, welcome you all to GK class. Today we are going to chapter number 40, Indian Railways. Children, you all know railway is very important. Transport to move from one place to another place. Especially for the long distance, it's very important. There are some trains very important to export some one things from one place to another, especially for long journey. Okay, so railways are very important in our life. To move for a long distance, we can move on railways. We use railway to move. So today we are going to talk about Indian Railway. Okay. So let's see what it is. India's longest railway platform is situated here. Where is India's longest platform situated? It's Gorakhpur. Where it is? It's Gorakhpur. Now, the name of the Indian Railways mascot is dash. It is Bholu, Bholu. Okay, now next one. The rail coach factory is situated here. Where is the rail coach factory situated? Where the rail coaches are prepared or made and then be delivered or used. It is Kapurthala. Where is the factory of railway coach? It is Kapurthala. Okay. Now the first Indian Railways route to cover a distance of 21 miles. Which is that train that covers the route a distance of 21 miles? It is Bombay to Thane. Which it is? It is Bombay to Thane. Now it is the first double-decker bus. It is the first double-decker train, not bus, double-decker train of, it is the first double-decker train of India. It was introduced in 2011. Which was that train that was introduced in 2011? A double-decker train. I hope you all must have or you might have seen this double-decker train. It's very beautiful to watch and you must have travelled also. Where it is introduced? It was Howrah Dhanbad Double Decker Express. What is that train? Howrah Dhanbad Double Decker Express. Okay. Now, this is the second railway in the world to attain World Heritage status from UNESCO. What is that? It is Darjeeling Himalaya Railway. It is Darjeeling Himalaya Railway. One more question is that the longest running train in India that covers distance of 4,286 km through 7 states. Which is that train that covers 4,286 km through 7 states? Which is that? It is Vivek Express. Which is that? It is Vivek Express. Okay, children. Now, one more thing you all should know is about Vande Bharat Express. It is Vande Bharat Express is India's first semi-high speed electric multiple unit. It is also known as Train 18. Which is that? Which train is known as Train 18? Vande Bharat Express is known as Train 18. Okay. It's the semi-high speed electric train. Okay. Children, I hope this chapter is clear to you. Do it in your textbook. Page number 60 and 61 in your book. Okay, children. Till the time, bye-bye and have a nice day.